Hello and welcome to this episode of the Tudor, and today we're going to swap the engine, the old tired worn out engine, to a hopefully better one. I don't know if it starts. It has been sitting for 7 years, not in the best place, so hopefully it will run good. I have no idea, but the one I have in now is completely gone, so that needs a restoration for sure. Yeah. So we. So, pulling the radiator, one bolt broke, but I have to replace the bolts anyway, so never mind. I saved the springs for it. I didn't have the rubber underlay, so I have to order parts anyway, so never mind. It's quite took a while to get the engine out. Yeah, we should have removed the pedals before we tried to pull the engine and transmission. It would have been much easier, but next time we know. You don't have to make that mistake, so remove the pedals before you pull the engine and transmission. And this film is going to be mostly time-lapse like this. We speak Swedish to each other, so probably you wouldn't understand a word, so hence the time-lapse. And it took time. It took a whole day to change the engine in this one, so the front and rear axle is supported at the transmission as well, so we have to loosen them. The engine is ready to pull. So here's the engine out, and the other one is hanging in the swing. That one on the pallet here is going to be restored and hopped up as much as possible, but that's another year. funny thing is we have to spread the frame rails to get the engine in. You'll see it here. It's not much, it's just a tiny hair just to get the engine mounts easier. It probably is the easier way to do this, but this is what we came up with. Yay! There it's in. Ja. Ett. Here we give every cylinder a good schnapps. Hopefully they will loosen up. Yeah, cheers. So let's wait a few days and see if the engine will have compression. If you think this is 2 days later when the diesel has done its job in the cylinders, you are wrong. This is about 1 hour later. I had to try. I had turned the engine over and I feel it had compression. So it just needed an hour with diesel in it. So I have a few things to do in here. I need to hook up the brake pedal and the clutch pedal, and I need to I need to get this bolted up together. I need a floor. I don't have any. This part of the floor is dead. I need to hook up this spring. This is a cool thing. This is not original, I don't think so. This has been between the brake pedal and the square hole in the floor here. I guess brake pedal trouble. So yeah, you have heard the engine. It sounds loud, but it runs strong, much stronger than the old one. Hopefully this will be better. And the gearbox, we had to change the top of the gearbox, because this is a 29 with the emergency brake on top of the gearbox, because the gearbox on the other one looks a bit different. It has 2 bolts over here. So this is the lid from the gearbox that is in the car, and this is the crap that used to be in the car. Ooh. So yeah, goodbye, dear friend. Hello and welcome. Yeah. So that's it for this episode. I'm looking forward to the next one. I hope you are too. See you then. Bye. Woo!